Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. I'm Beautiful Love Forever, aka Tay. Thanks for joining me. So to prime my eyes, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Concealer in 24 and set it with the AB8 setting powder in Deep Peach. Next, I'm using Juvia's Place the Zulu eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take that brown and orange shade and mix those together and put it in my crease. And then I'm going to take that other shade, that turquoise shade, as well as that purple shade, and put those on my lids. Also, if you're watching and you're not subscribed, please make sure that you do so. Please make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, make sure to click the like button on my shorts and videos, as well as comment and share, because I really appreciate that. Now I'm using the Ioni Wispy Cluster Spiky Lashes and the House of Lashes Eyelash Glue. Moving on to my face, I'm going to use the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. Next, I'm using the Everyday Humans Rose From Above Mineral Sunscreen. So y'all, I meant to use my face primer next, but instead I used the e.l.f. Orange Concealer, e.l.f. Orange Camo Concealer, and I used that to correct the dark spots in my face and neck. And then afterwards I used the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. For some more coverage, I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut, and I'm just putting this all the places where I put the orange corrector at. Now I'm using the AB8 setting powder in Deep Peach again to set where I had the orange corrector and that concealer at. For foundation, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Longwear Foundation, the shade 425. To highlight, I'm using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer and Praline, and I'm just putting this all the places where the light would naturally hit my face. While that's sitting, I'm going to use a Juvia's Place Bronzer Palette in Dark to contour my nose as well as bronze the other parts of my face. Next, I'm using the setting powder to set where I highlighted at. For my all over face powder, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Powder Foundation, the shade 440. For blush, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Powder Blush in Petal Poppin'. To highlight, I'm using the ABH highlighter in Peach Fizz. For lips, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pout Sickle Hydrating Lip Stain in Gemini. To set my face, I'm using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And that's it for this makeup tutorial. I hope you all enjoyed this colorful eyeshadow look that I did. This is great for just hanging out with your girls or for a date night. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this look. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, please make sure to click the like button on my shorts and videos as well as share and comment because I really appreciate that. Everything I use will be listed in the description box as well as on my social media handles. And I thank you all for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. I'll see you all in the next one and make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.